Hello everyone, today let's see how to replace the battery of this ASUS VivoBook MAX. So first of all, open it this way. As this laptop, the hinges are too tight, so I will not close it again. I will just turn it here in this way. Here now, bring the camera front. Okay, here you can see we need to remove all these screws. These screws are long, these screws are short, so these short screws should be here on the thin edge and the long screws here on the thicker edge. Now take a smartphone disassembling tool to insert it in the groove here. You won't believe it can have so much of dust. Now for removing the keyboard, be careful because there are connectors here, the strips, they may get damaged. So pull the keyboard from this side up, okay, this way, pull it, slide it towards left little bit and just this way, take it in this way left. Just open these locks and we are good to remove the keyboard. So now this is the battery pack. For replacing only the battery, all we need to do is just remove this here. 1 and 2. These are the screws. Do not pull it too much, just a little, and this is the battery pack. Now after cleaning, doing everything, just take the new battery pack, place it in this way, just pull the main board a little bit, not too much, don't pull it too hard, or else what you can do is you remove all the screws on the main board. This is Wi-Fi, better for the safety, just do it. Remove this one. This as well, because this is heatsink. Here one screw. Here this screw. I am removing this screw here. This main board doesn't have any option for upgrading the RAM, but if you are facing slowness, you can just upgrade with a, instead of HDD, you can install a SSD. So now place the battery this way. Here take a black screw which we have removed for battery. Sit here. Now place the main board in this way. Press it here. Okay, this way. So now this is the Wi-Fi. Take a black screw. Okay. Now take a white screw. Or here. This. Okay. Here one screw. Okay. Now take this keyboard. For fixing the keyboard, the simple method is place the keyboard on the side like this. Turn this connector here in this way. Insert it, lock it. While removing, also try to follow the same step in a reverse way. Here in this way and lock it. Now take it in this way here and fix it. Now press it from all the sides. Okay. Take these screws. Just remember, there are 4 small screws. These 4 small screws should be fastened here. Here you see the length of these screws. I'll show you. One is big and one is small. So the small screw should be at the bottom because see what happens, you might have watched a video on my channel, which in the thumbnail you can see that the TV screen is broken because of wrong usage of screw in wrong place. The thumbnail you can read wrong screw in wrong place. The TV screen got damaged just because of wrong screw. So be careful whenever you are disassembling or assembling any laptop or any other electronic device. See that the screws are in right place. Okay, hope this video is going to be helpful for you in replacing the battery of your ASUS VivoBook MAX. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.